Welcome to CardExchange Cloud Suite. We're excited to introduce a new feature that allows you to remove photo backgrounds using AI. Let's take a look at how to set it up and use it. First, open the Admin Center. In the menu on the left, click on Setup. Next, click on Controller and then select Photos. To enable background removal, click on Edit in the top right corner. Switch on the option called Allow Background Removal and click Save. Now, go back to Controller and refresh the page. Select a user, click on their photo, and you'll see a new option to remove background. Click it, review the result, and save the updated photo. And that's it. That's how you enable and use AI-powered background removal in CardExchange Cloud Suite. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.